What's up everyone, TechSpacker here. Today we're gonna talk about the Galaxy S26 Ultra.
This is it. The AI phone designed to make every day easy and effortless.
The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a new privacy display, new camera, new processor and another graphic. The devices here launched are Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, Galaxy S26 Ultra. The phone now comes with 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 200 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel periscope lens. It has a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. Here's the difference between the camera layer. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3nm based chip, Exynos 2600 2nm based chip for S26 and S26 Plus. It has a battery capacity of 4500 mAh for the S26 Plus and 4300 for the S26 and 5000 mAh for the S26 Ultra. It has a 12GB, 25GB LPDDR5X runtime and UFS 4.0 storage type. What about OS? It has 7th-gen OS upgrades and 7 years security updates.
The world's first privacy display on mobile.
The privacy display features a highlight feature. Here is the actual working of the feature. The phone is inbuilt with Galaxy AI, which is kind of a mix of Bixby and Gemini. The phone comes in white, sky blue, black, cobalt, violet. Here is a final verdict. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next one.